So, a coping mechanism is one in which a person employs a person or thing to resolve a difficulty or to manage internal and external demands. Internal and external demands are challenges to psychological resources. Psychological resources are people you use for encouragement and other types of emotional support. So, this is what people do instead of solving the actual problem, and the actual problem is always you. I know we like to take that finger of ours and wave it in other people's faces and point and say it's those people. No, the problem is always you. You are always your own problem because you are always 100% responsible for you. So what people often do when they are sad or hurt or brokenhearted, they take that arm of theirs and that hand of theirs and they grab at something. They grab at a person, they grab at a thing, they grab just anything that they feel will comfort them, that they can use as a coping mechanism. So I had a friend in college. She was always saying to me how she felt like she was not going to graduate. And she was saying, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pass and graduate. And so I am an encourager. So I would say to her, well, you are in your junior year right now. So just, stick it out, stay with it. And then you move to your senior and you graduate. And so she would say, oh, okay, thank you so very much. I feel good. I appreciate that. Then she came back around a month after that with the same kind of story. I would do my encouragement spiel. She would say, oh, okay, good. All right. Thank you so very much. Then she would come back around again 1 month later. And she did, and we did that cycle again. And then I realized that she wasn't receiving anything I said. She just liked me to feed her. She liked that I fed her encouragement. So it was one of those little pickup moments, like a little shot of coffee or something like that. So I stopped encouraging her. She came around that last time and she wanted me to encourage her, and I didn't say anything. I talked about, something else, because sometimes you have to stand up for yourself a lot of times when it comes to you realizing that people are just using you. They don't want to hang out with you or anything like that. They just want to use you for your gifts and talents, or use you as psychological resources, right? So be careful then of people who sort of pull at you at certain times in their lives, but don't receive any instruction from you in other areas of their life, especially when that instruction is needed for them to advance forward.